y'all, welcome back to my channel. Get the light right, get the light right, get the light right. Alright, so today I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna review an app that my friend Cherie just put me on. Shout out to Cherie Toot Toot. But the app is called Too Good to Go, and it allows you to buy food items, or just, I think it is mostly like food items from different restaurants or stores that typically will throw these things away, but they're still in perfectly good condition. So pretty much they're selling it for a way cheaper price. And on the app you can select your stores and choose when, and you go pick it up and choose what you want as far as the restaurants. But the surprise is your bags, it's a surprise. Your specific items is a total surprise. Like, you're not gonna know what it is until you get it. So for me, that's the exciting part. And another thing, this helps you to reduce your carbon footprint and take a lot of waste out of our food systems, and just being more conservative and earth friendly, and being a good steward of the land. So I'll check back in with y'all later. I'm about to head to, I think it's called Deal's Market, to pick up my surprise bag. I'm so excited. Get it? Excited.
I had to mute this part because they had music playing in the store, but this store is really nice. They have some really great things. It's locally owned and it's convenient to just go in and get out. They have free parking, and yeah, I would definitely come back again.
Alright, so I picked up my order. I haven't looked at it. I just grabbed the bag, recorded some stuff around the store, and put my bag in the back seat so I won't get tempted, because I don't want to see it until I get home, because I just like cute little surprises, y'all, to be honest. I really do. And so I'm going to head home, look through my bag, show y'all what all I got. But this place is called Deal's Market, so if you're in Austin, I would suggest checking them out. It's in the St. John area. Well, I think this is still St. John. Well, no, I'm lying. This is not St. John no more. This is like right off North Lamar. But anywho, I would suggest, I think this is the Crestview area. I know it's by the Crestview station. But anywho, if you're in Austin, check out Deal's Market on Justin Lane. It is right off North Lamar, near the Crestview train station. So yeah, I'm finna head to the house and get back with y'all later. Alright, so time to go through this bag. This is their bag. It's called Deal's Market, and the lady who worked at the front counter told me that Dia was the initials of the owner's children, like their first initial. It's their initials. Okay, so I'm about to go through my bag, see what I get. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna pull out the biggest thing. Ah, this is a multi-grain sweet potato tortilla. It is made by Late July. So I'm definitely gonna try these out. I'm excited about them, actually. I'm pretty excited about this. It'll be something different. I'm trying to think what I have soccer. Hold on. And the next thing they gave me was this teriyaki sauce. Okay, I can do something with this. I can do some teriyaki chicken with some rice or something one day. But it is interesting. Never seen this brand before, so I'm excited to try this. And this, to me, I feel like this is a really good staple for me to have at home. And let's see. Oh, some hemp coffee. That's interesting. And it is made by Ott Hemp Coffee. And apparently they are in Austin, so I'm gonna have to give this a go and see how I like it. Interesting. I'm okay with that. Oh, churros! This is gonna be so fun. And it has an original cinnamon flavor, and it's made by The Daily Crave. They're bite sized, so I'm definitely gonna enjoy this, because I've been saying I wanted some snacks or something sweet, and different for like going to the store like a real. But I'm excited to try these. I think that's it. Yeah, so I got 4 items, and I'm gonna look at the retail price of all these items to see how much money did I save just by ordering from this app. So stay tuned while I look up all this stuff. All right, so I looked at the value of everything, and wow, I saved a lot of money. So the churros is the first thing I looked up. I only found it on Amazon, and the value on Amazon was $23.99. So whew. And the coffee, I didn't necessarily look up, because this says free sample and it's only 10 ounces, but the 12-ounce bag on their website is $33. So there's that. So if you want to support them, go ahead. It's called Ott hemp coffee, and this is the one that is for relaxation. See, can you see? Yeah, it's for relaxation. They have a website. Just go in there and look. I think you'll find something you like. The teriyaki sauce, I looked this up. It was $6.99. Some of the stuff was hard to find, so I can't remember where I found the sauce at, but the churros, Amazon was the only place I could find it. And just like the shit, it took me a while to find these, but this bag, the one I seen like on, I think it's Thrive Market. I think Thrive Market had them for $3.99. So my total was $34.97. Wow, but I only paid $6.48. Talk about a savings. Even though some of these things I would not ever thought to pick up in the store, but I'm glad they introduced me to some new things that I can put in my kitchen and try out. I'm excited about that. And when you review the products, they do ask you certain questions to get a good understanding of what your experience was like. The first thing they ask you is, have you shopped before? And my answer was no, because I never been to this particular store before. And that asked, when you were in the store, did you buy anything else? My answer was no. And they asked, what was the value of everything in your bag? Of course, I told you it was $34.97. I just looked that up. And they asked me, would I buy it again? And I said yes, I would definitely buy again. And they asked me, the last question was, what did you enjoy most? I told them that I enjoyed the friendly service and the quick pickup, because everything was already together when I got there. And I think a lot of more people ordered from the app as well, because when I went there, I saw so many bags lined up and it was people coming in after me. So yeah. And the very last question they asked is, what's in your bag? I didn't get a chance to answer that question because I clicked off so fast, but oh well. Overall, great experience. I will be doing this again because there's so many different restaurants and stores on the app. Like, they have Shipley's Donut, they have a seafood spot in there, but with the seafood spot, I think they only give away chips and salsa. That's still good because late night snack or whatever. My friend that I was telling you about earlier, Cherie, she ordered from Tiff Treats. They gave her a bag of cookies for a good price. Like, girl, listen. And I saw Whole Foods on there. And what else? It was so many. Oh, I saw an Asian restaurant that has great reviews. I've seen that restaurant before, so I definitely want to try it. Yeah, so try this app out. Let me know what you think. And have fun reducing your carbon footprint and being more sustainable by buying these items. Support, support, support. And they do have some local businesses on there that would definitely probably appreciate and love your support. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tap that notification bell so you can know every time your girl, the curlmaverick, uploads a new video. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you have any suggestions, drop them down below. And if you used this app before, let me know what you thought about it, and let me know if it was fun for you and what all you got in your surprise bag, because who doesn't love surprises? Yay. All right, see y'all later.